Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are doing a fall clean and decorate video. And I have to be honest with you, I'm not sure how much cleaning will actually be in this video. I know I'll definitely be like wiping down surfaces that I'll be putting decorations on, but I've been under the weather. I guess I've got allergies or cold or something. And I've got Peter and the kids here with me today. They're hanging out in the living room right now. So we've got a house full, but I wanted to go ahead and get my fall decorations up before too much more time goes on because we're already in September. So I'm so excited to go ahead and get my fall decorations up, and I won't be doing a whole lot of adding new decorations. I did go to the Dollar Tree. If you saw the Dollar Tree video I did last week, I got a few pieces to add to my tier tray because earlier this year I got a really pretty tier tray and I'm so excited to decorate it up for fall this year. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And I also wanted to give y'all a little update. If y'all saw back in February my Valentine's Day clean and decorate video, I had shared with you guys about this beautiful jewelry brand called Ana Luisa. I just wanted to give y'all a little update on how my pieces are holding up, how much I love them. I just wanted to share a little bit of information with you guys. I have to say that the pieces that they sent me I absolutely love, and they're super comfortable. Even if I am to like fall asleep in them, they don't irritate my ears or cause any sort of discomfort. And one thing new that they have changed is they now have a 2-year warranty to back up their amazing products. It used to just be 1 year, but they bumped it up to 2 years because that's how awesome these products are. And are you on a budget like I am? So don't worry, because I have a 20% discount code down in the description box for you, because with the holidays coming up, these really do make the perfect gift. So that way you can go ahead and start on your holiday gifts early and get a little discount as well. So y'all, please excuse my raspy voice. This cold or allergies or whatever it is has gotten to my throat, but I'm just gonna push on through. I did want to share with y'all that I personally have not experienced any tarnishing on my pieces. They are just as beautiful as the day I received them. I'm excited that these are beautiful pieces of jewelry that I'll be able to pass down to all of my daughters in the future because they are long lasting. All the products are backed by that 2-year warranty that I told you about, and they test the products against tarnishing, allergies, damage, and breakage. But if you are not totally satisfied, they will send you a replacement or reimbursement and no questions asked, which is totally awesome. And as always, guys, I have all the information down below in the description box, so make sure you go down there to get all the information that you need. Alright, so on to fall decorating. This is all of my fall decorations I've pulled out, stuff that I've collected over the years. It's not a ton of stuff, but I'm slowly adding to it every year, just a little bit here and there. What I'm really excited about is to try these. So I think we're gonna go ahead and do these first on the fireplace because I think it's gonna be so much fun. Most of this stuff I've picked up between Hobby Lobby, Target, Dollar Tree, and these pumpkins over here I ordered on Amazon last year. They're like multicolor. They're really pretty, lots of blues, teals, greens. And so y'all just have fun decorating with me, kind of prepping the house for the fall. Once again, you guys, so sorry about my raspy voice. Peter is my handy cameraman today. I did want to show y'all that I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day, the lemon verbena scent of the multi-surface cleaner. I've been really enjoying it. That was my first time ever buying any of the Miss Meyer's stuff. And so anyways, I'm just excited to have Peter and the kids here to help me. We're doing the candy corn garland first, and I was super excited about it. We found it at the Dollar Tree for only $3, and it's really nice and it's really cute, and it actually looks like something that you would find at Hobby Lobby, so I was really surprised. And I've got Reese helping me. We did end up having to take off 2 of the flags on the end, just so it wouldn't be too long, and that way the kids or Leo couldn't pull it down. But yeah, we are so happy with it. It's so cute. It's a fun little addition to all of the fall decor that we have.
touch it, okay? We can
Not
look at
bad for Dollar Tree. This one was $3. Now I'm gonna see what I can put on either side, the top of the mantle. Super cute. So on the left side, I have this fun piggy bank owl and just a grouping of pumpkins on the other side just to balance it out a little bit. So I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. The one thing that I was the most excited about this tier tray is the one thing that I am not happy with the most. I just had it envisioned in my mind of a certain way I was hoping it was going to look. And you know how you see all these fun ideas on Pinterest? Well, it just didn't turn out that way. But you know what? It's okay. It still has fall vibes, and it, you know, whenever you're on a budget and you can't spend a lot of extra, you just got to work with what you got. So maybe next year I can do something a little bit different. But for now, this is my tier tray. Now this little fall harvest grouping is probably my absolute favorite every single year. About 3 years ago, I got this glass pumpkin at Target, and I got the little twinkle lights to put in it, and it's probably the easiest little setup and the most fun. I just love looking at it whenever it's all lit up, and it just makes me so happy. And this candle smells absolutely amazing. It makes the whole house smell like fall. So these fun little pumpkins I got a couple years ago in the dollar spot at Target, and this is my favorite place to put them, is on my windowsill in my kitchen. So the table runner may end up being moved pretty quickly later on, because we use our kitchen table for everything. I mean, we do Play-Doh at the table. We have all of our meals here. Reese does all of her little colorings and whatnots, you know, at the table. So it's definitely a place where I can't do too much these days, and as far as decorating goes. But these fun pumpkins I did find on Amazon last year. The basket I found at Aldi last year as well, and it's just really simple and super pretty, and just adds a lot of fun color, harvesty colors. It's just different and unique, and I love that the stems of the pumpkin have like a brushed gold to them. So pretty. I just love everything about these fun little pumpkins. So I'm ending this video with sharing my mom's beautiful dining room table with you guys. This is at my mom's house. I just thought her tablescape was so pretty this year with all of her fun fall decor. So I just wanted to share that with you. And lastly, don't forget to check out all the Ana Luisa information in the description box down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!